In this video, I'll detail how to fix the email app disappeared from iPhone. So if all of a sudden you couldn't find your email app on your iPhone home screen like this. So this is my mail app, and you discover that it's no longer available on your iPhone, whether you're using iOS 17 or iOS 18. Then this video is going to walk you through how to find and restore it. So if you're done of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. When you couldn't find the email application on your iPhone, or you discover that the email application is no longer visible on your iPhone, the first thing you want to do is you want to click on this spotlight search and search for email or search for mail. So once you search for mail, you should see the mail under top it. But if this is missing while using the spotlight search, then just exit the space, then swipe to the end of your home screen until you get to your help library. On the help library page, come here and search for mail. You see that? Then if the mail application is available on the help library, that shows the mail application has not been installed or offloaded on your iPhone. All you just need to do is press and hold the mail application and then drag it to your iPhone home screen like this. Then exit. Then the main application will be added to your iPhone home screen. Alternatively, if it is not available either on the help library here, you can just come here, search for App Store, and then on the App Store, go ahead and re-download and install the mail application again to your iPhone. So that is basically how to fix email app disappear from iPhone, how to find it, and how you can easily restore it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.